Hi, it's Billy, and today we're going to go running. Let's go swimming. I'm gonna go get my bike. Come on, let's go bike riding in the rain. The brake. The brake. Oh. Stupid bike. Stupid bike. Never be like Never be like my father. Let's go throw mud balls. Come on. Stupid car. The yard is so dry, it's unbelievable. We need water. We need water. It's so dry, the hose won't even work. Work, hose! Work! Work! The grass needs to get water. It needs water. No water. I'm going to die. It's so cold out there. I need gummy bears. Bye-bye. Do you hear a bird? Caw, caw, caw.